Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I got this pie crust cutter from Michael's. Someone suggested it, so thank you so much to the person who suggested it. Sorry, I don't remember who it was. But I was trying to decide, should I pour in the middle only, or in here, or should I just go around the whole thing? This does not sit perfectly level. It has these lines that are raised, and so it's kind of difficult to see how it will work when poured through. But I did a quick survey on colors and techniques, and I got quite a few votes for rainbow. So that's what I'm going to do on this one. And then I also got a bunch of votes for warm colors, and then also for peacock colors. And on this one, I think I'm going to just try pouring around it. And then on another one, I'll try pouring in each of the slots and kind of see how that works. Maybe make it more of a intentional pour. So I'm going to be using white, yellow, red, and blue. And these are all Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. Everything is mixed with Floetrol and water. And these primary colors together will make, theoretically, all the colors. So the yellow and blue will make green, the red and yellow will make orange, the red and blue will make purple. You get my point. And then we should get some pink. So filling this cup up to the brim here. And if need be, I'll add some white around the sides. So let's just use this as a trying this out to see how the paint actually flows through here. And then don't worry guys, we can absolutely do it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and start just pouring in the middle. Okay. So I was kind of curious, if you look, that color is not seeping out at all. Well, maybe a tiny, tiny bit. It would take quite a while. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour just around and through all the leaves. I think this is going to be very interesting. Okay. So let's just go ahead. I'm going to add some white around here. And then I kind of want to let this just sit for a little while. Kind of let it seep. Now that stuff in the middle is just sitting. The good news is that the leaves do actually appear to be lowering. So if I do this again, I can do it kind of open cup style through each of those leaves. This, I think, looks amazing as it is. So I'm going to let this sit for a little while and just let it go. And then we'll come back and peel it off and do our tilting. All right, I'm back. So I ended up letting this sit for about 10-15 minutes. That middle still doesn't seem to have budged, but the leaves are now all almost empty. So this is just good to know. I'm going to go ahead and slowly lift this up so that the remaining paint in those spots can kind of slowly come out. I definitely think this will look awesome with both fall colors and peacock colors. Okay, that's pretty cool. Definitely funky. I also think this would be a great one to do on the spinner, because then you could really maintain that pattern, especially if you wanted to go for like making a flower. So for anyone that is newer to my channel, this is kind of what I like to do. I like to take a concept and I like to experiment with it many different ways until I feel like I've kind of explored all possibilities with those items. This is cool. And this one is great because I really kind of had no idea what to expect, how those paints would go through that piece. And there you have it, our rainbow colors. All right, I'm gonna let this sit here for a little while, see anything else that might develop. Just a few minutes, and then we'll do our close-up. All right, starting in the lower right-hand corner here. Definitely more of a rainbow on the outside, but that's just how I poured the colors in there. And I kind of actually like this really yellow and blue center. It really gives you kind of that floral effect. It's just really cool. Yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. I'm excited to try some more things with it. So I think next I will try fall colors and I'll pour it a little bit differently. I'm definitely open to suggestions down in the comments. And if you want to try this out yourself, I got this at Michael's, but you can probably get it online or at other stores, cooking stores, etc. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.